Look at how pretty this palette is. Oh my gosh, look at those shimmers. Let's do a look with this. This is the brand new Siren Sunset palette from Lunar Beauty. And can we just take a minute to appreciate this graphic on here? Like, this is so freaking pretty. This palette has 18 shades and retails for $55. So I'm starting with the shade Deep End, this deep blue, and I'm going to create this fun swirly crease. Once I have the shape down, I'm going to just smoke this out. So I just clean this up with some P. Louise base. Now I'm going to take the shade called Water Nymph, and I'm going to put that on my lid. Oh my gosh, yes, look at that color. Now I'm grabbing the purple shade and I'm just very lightly tucking that into my inner corner. Now I'm grabbing the green shade called Ariel, and I'm just putting that on the outer parts of my eyelid. Now I'm smoking out that deep blue underneath my lower lash line. So now I'm taking the shade Pink Pearl. I'm going to pop that into this inner corner right here. I'm adding pink to the waterline. And here is the finished look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what your guys' thoughts are.